Now it's time for Open House, sponsored by Pyramid Heating and Cooling.
There is a brand new innovative way to build a house, and we have Piotr Budnik from System 3E. Welcome to Around the House Northwest.
Correct. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Thanks for taking the time. What is System 3E?
Putting this in the simplest words, it works like Lego, and I'll show you a quick demonstration of how you build. So you just stack one element onto place beneath. You make something like this, and it's done.
Man, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So what is the product made out of?
It's made of perlite, which is a natural stone, has great properties. It's chemically and biologically inert. It has neutral pH. So a mold or mildew will never grow in the wall. It doesn't get rot.
Man, healthy homes is a hot topic. How does this stuff help with, energy efficiency?
Well, perlite is made this way that each grain of perlite is multiporous. And when you have multiporous product or grains trapped in a product, then this trapped porous grain traps inside air, which is the best insulator. So thanks to this, we have the energy efficiency and warm house in the winter and cool house in the summer.
Man, that is great. And of course, that's going to save you money right off the bat after you build it, because it's got to reduce those energy costs.
Oh yeah, 100% true. And we have many testimonials from our inhabited house with happy clients, mostly in Europe now, but we also built some houses in Asia, South Korea, and the feedback is absolutely overwhelming in a positive way. So we are also very happy that people appreciate the natural aspect and properties of perlite. And as a fun fact, I will say that we also have a hygiene radiation certificate issued by National Institute of Public Health in Poland. And in practice, it means that this is the only product in construction industry that you can store food in direct contact with.
Man, that is great. It looks like System 3E will really save on construction time as well, being how it snaps together.
Oh yeah. So the top shape designed is convex, and the bottom shape is concave. So one of our patents is Morse taper rule, where the friction forces at these angles are the strongest. So when we stack elements, when we lay the elements, they stick together as if glued, but without glue. So in this way, we eliminated the weakest link in the wall, which is the adhesive, which never maintains the parameters of compressive strength or thermal efficiency.
Man, that is smart. I like how that locks in together, and it's got to be a very strong structure at that point.
Well, it is, and there are few things about this, because when you look at the fire class, we have the highest fire class simply because perlite is incombustible. So our REI is 240 plus M, which means that after 240 minutes of fire, we keep the structural strength, and still the wall is resistant for mechanical damage, which is also very unique, because we are the only brick-like technology that we are aware of that has the mechanical resistance marked with the plus M certificate. And this is possible because all the degrees of freedom in the wall are eliminated on X, Y, and Z axis. So you cannot push the element in or move it in any direction. So if something hits the wall, then the force is distributed proportionally in each direction to every element. So eventually we reach one solid monolith. And again, if we look at the whole structure of the building, always the structure depends on the load it has to bear. So when we deep dive into the structural details, when we add additional weight on top of the walls, this allows our unique locks to be locked.
And that is great. So if someone wants to explore looking into building a house like this out of System 3E, where would they find more information?
Well, we have a website, www.system3e.com.
Well, Peter, thanks for taking the time today to explore this with us. I think this is an innovative way to build a new house. Thanks for taking the time today.